first time when I start working as an individual contributor in backend service of one of the project, I realized that if you don't know SQL well, it was really challenging. And especially when your major part of code is dealing with these kind of data processing. And I remember I was around 20 plus year of experience. So initially I was hesitant to learn because with experience of 20 plus, I was thinking that, does this will help me anyway? As per my experience, I thought that even in the with these kind of data processing. And I remember I was around 20 plus year of experience. So initially I was hesitant to learn because worst scenario, I should only know that very high level view of SQL or database, and that would be sufficient for me. This by and large, right, but not in every company which is working on service. And as you know, in India, even a big brand company have no clear expert pool segregation, right? With major categories in which you can divide the SQL categories. The first category is DDL, data definition language. And the few commands as an example I can consider here: create, drop, alter, truncate, and comment. Another category which is called DQL, data query language, and command for it, usually we are using select command, right? So select is under this category, DQL. The third category would be DML, data manipulation language, and commands for this is insert, update, delete, log, call, explain. So these are commands under data manipulation language, right? And another category is DCL, data control language. And the commands under this can be grant, revoke, kind of grant and revoke, right? Then another category is transactional control language, TCL, and commands for it is like commit, rollback, save point, set transaction, and so yeah, these things. So as I told you, these are the basic categories of SQL. And yeah, so let's deep dive further in this category.